Hey guys, we're back. We're going to talk about an excellent and very inexpensive way to test for adrenal function. It's actually free. And all you have to do is hold your breath. And we're going to do this test, and I want you to do this in a bit, but let me explain something. When you have adrenal fatigue, and the adrenals are in very poor shape, and that's the stress gland, you will not be able to hold your breath very long. So your ability to hold your breath for a long period of time will really indicate if you have an adrenal problem at all, because people that have adrenal fatigue cannot go for a very long time, maybe 10 seconds, and they just really need to breathe. So here's what you want to do. You want to do this during a fasting period. You want to totally relax for a few minutes, and then you want to breathe out on an exhalation, pinch your nose, and hold your breath. Okay, while you have a little timer there, and just watch the seconds until the first desire to breathe. Okay, you don't want to do this while you're really straining and going through a stressful state. You want to go as long as you can until you're like, well, I need to breathe, and then record how many seconds that would be on a little chart. You want to do this over a period of time as kind of like an exercise to strengthen your adrenals. But if you can go 40 to 50 seconds, you're in pretty good shape. I would recommend doing it several times a day to strengthen the adrenal system. You're going to find it's going to lower stress. It's going to improve your energy. It'll improve your oxygen carrying capacity. It'll improve something called the parasympathetic nervous system. That's the opposite of the flight or fight. That's the system that helps you rest and digest. It's going to help you sleep. But this is the recovery system. So overall, it will enhance your ability, your capacity to carry oxygen. A lot of athletes do this, and I think you should try it out as well. So go ahead and do this test and record your seconds down below. Thanks. Hey, if you're interested in finding out the underlying cause of your body issues, click the link below and take the evaluation quiz.